I am Ram Kishan from Indore, India. We are discussing here Islam, terror, jihad, and Muhammad. Entire world is now under trouble from Islamic terrorism. Slovakia is not permitting entry of Muslims. Slovakia has banned Quran. They have demolished many mosques. Sweden is facing its biggest rise so far in the history. It is all due to Islamic terrorism. Denmark, UK, and Germany, they are already having lot of troubles from Islamic terrorists. China has already started lot of movement against Islamic terrorists. Lakhs of Mohammedans have been kept in concentration camp. More than 16,000 mosques have been demolished. There are a lot of restriction on the dress up and naming of the Muslim people. Nobody has forgotten the 9/11 incidents of World Trade Center in USA. Since then, lot of restrictions have been placed on the Muslim people entering USA. They are checked thoroughly. Entire body is bare. Entire of their bare body is checked thoroughly for anything. Then their all bank account of Muslim people in USA are kept under very strict surveillance. Lot of troubles are going to be expected from Azerbaijan and Armenia, just like a third Islamic world war. India has already experienced lot of trouble since 1990 from Kashmir, when 500,000 people were driven out of their homes. In democracy, when there is a government at center, state, police, army, Supreme Court, despite that, 500,000 people were driven out from their homes due to Islamic terrorism. It is not possible to do so in a democratic setup, but it has been done in India. Recently, when Donald Trump was to visit India, on that day, a big riot and arson, looting, everything was planned by Islamic terrorists in Delhi. Recently in Bangalore, the police station was stoned. Police vehicles were burned. They are not afraid of police. They are not afraid of creating riot. They are going to create big problem in India. The only solution so far has been by Buddhist monk Virathu in Burma. First of all, everybody should stop dealing with these terrorists. No, nothing should be purchased. They should not be allowed to have any profit, any benefit, all these Islamic terrorists. By which they will be forced to leave the country, as happened in Burma, and this was created by Buddhist saint Virathu. And this is the model which is suitable for whole world. In India, there are 5,000 sect, divisions, castes, religions. Despite this, all 5,000 different groups, people are living peacefully and happily. And in 57 Islamic countries all over the world, they are fighting. Even with one religion, there are fight every day. They are bloodthirsty, they are throwing, they are burning. All these things are happening daily in Islamic world. In Pakistan itself, every Friday you find some bomb blast in the mosque of Shia. So like this, their mindset is to cause trouble. Entire humanity is under trouble because of this Islamic terrorist. The only policy is zero tolerance. The state and government should be very, very strict. The moment they throw a stone, they should be shot down. Then public should not deal with these people. It is because of the religion Islam. It is not the human being, it is the entire setup of Islam which divides the whole world into two sectors, Muslims and non-Muslim. Non-Muslims are to be hated, non-Muslims should be killed. There should not be any dealing with non-Muslim. Everywhere where they follow this principle, then in turn, the non-Muslim, that is kafir, should adopt the same policy towards Muslims, same policy towards Islam. Then only there will be peace. Then only the humanity will live happily, and then they can devote for development of human activities. Such setup was designed by Muhammad. The management experts should study that a person like Muhammad comes and in 1400 years he grows this particular religion becomes the second highest in the world, and everywhere they are causing trouble. It should be a matter of study how in such a short time Muhammad became number one. By heart a list was done of 100 influential people in the world, which included all the famous people like Hitler, Gautam Buddha, and so many other people. But this list of 100 influential people in the world, that is topped by Muhammad. It is a question of management study. How such a person can become number one in the world, how he can create so many problems. It is the key element is terror. Howsoever you peace, howsoever good things you talk about, it will not have any effect. But only you will find that the terror, the best presentation in this respect is but Robert Spencer. He has written 18 books on Islam, and one of the book is History of Terror from Muhammad to ISIS. Please study all these things. Please study Quran. Then there is a judgment from Delhi magistrate of 1986. The verdict is that 24 verses of Quran are highly injurious, highly harmful to the human society. That judgment, there was no appeal by government, no appeal by Mohammedan organization. So that judgment is available on Google. Please study and see that the Islam is the question of the thought process of Islam is causing terror. They are using terror everywhere to spread Islam. They are using terror among their own people in their own 57 countries. I thank you very much for sparing your valuable time in watching this video. Thank you once again.